Hello, my friends. Welcome to American Lingo Academy. I'm Emily, and today we're learning 20 super common English words that you will hear and see all the time in daily life. These words are really important because they make up the foundation of everyday English. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what they mean and how to use them naturally in your own conversations. I'm so excited to share these with you because once you master these words, your English will sound much more natural and fluent. So let's jump right in. Number 1, be. This is a verb, and it's probably the most important verb in English. It means to exist or to have a certain quality or characteristic. We use it to describe who someone is, what something is like, or where something is located. For example, I want to be a teacher. Here's another one: the weather will be sunny tomorrow. Number 2, I. This is a pronoun. It's the word you use when you're talking about yourself. It's always capitalized in English, no matter where it appears in a sentence. For example, I love pizza. You might hear something like, I think it's going to rain today. Number 3, you. This is also a pronoun. We use it when we're talking directly to another person or group of people. It's the same word whether you're talking to one person or many people. For example, you look great today. Here's another one: can you help me with this? Number 4, the. This is an article. We use it before nouns when we're talking about something specific that both the speaker and listener know about. It's the most common word in English. For example, the book is on the table. People often say, I'll meet you at the park. Number 5, a. This is also an article. We use it before singular nouns when we're talking about something general, not specific. It becomes and before words that start with a vowel sound. For example, I need a pen. Here's another one: she bought a new car. Number 6, to. This is a preposition, and it has many uses. We use it to show direction, to introduce the infinitive form of verbs, or to show purpose. For example, I'm going to the store. People often say, I want to learn English. Number 7, it. This is a pronoun. We use it to refer to things, animals, or situations that we've already mentioned or that are clear from context. For example, where's my phone? I can't find it anywhere. Here's another one: it's raining outside. Number 8, not. This is an adverb. We use it to make sentences negative. It usually comes after helping verbs like is, are, do, or can. For example, I do not like spicy food. People often say, she's not coming to the party. Number 9, that. This is a pronoun, but it can also be a conjunction or determiner. As a pronoun, we use it to point to something that's farther away or to refer to something we just mentioned. For example, that car is really expensive. Here's another one: I think that you're right. Number 10, and. This is a conjunction. We use it to connect words, phrases, or sentences together. It's like a bridge that links ideas. For example, I like coffee and tea. People often say, we went shopping and had lunch. Now, before we continue with the rest of our words, I want to ask you a quick favor. If you're finding this lesson helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us create more content for you, and we truly appreciate your support. Number 11, of. This is a preposition. We use it to show relationships between things, like possession, origin, or what something is made from. For example, the color of my car is blue. Here's another one: she's the president of the company. Number 12, do. This is a verb that we use in many different ways. It can mean to perform an action, or we use it as a helping verb to ask questions and make negative statements. For example, what do you want for dinner? People often say, I do my homework every night. Number 13, have. This is a verb that means to own, possess, or experience something. We also use it as a helping verb to form perfect tenses. For example, I have 2 sisters. Here's another one: we have lived here for 5 years. Number 14, what. This is an interrogative pronoun. We use it to ask questions about things, situations, or information that we don't know. For example, what time is it? People often say, what's your favorite movie? Number 15, we. This is a pronoun. We use it when we're talking about ourselves and other people together as a group. It includes the speaker and at least one other person. For example, we are going to the beach this weekend. Here's another one: we should call our parents tonight. Number 16, in. This is a preposition. We use it to show location inside something, or to talk about time periods, or to show that something is part of a larger group. For example, my keys are in my bag. People often say, I was born in 1995. Number 17, get. This is a verb with many meanings. It can mean to receive, obtain, become, arrive, or understand something. It's one of the most versatile verbs in English. For example, I need to get some milk from the store. Here's another one: when did you get home last night? Number 18, this. This is a determiner and pronoun. We use it to point to something that's close to us or to refer to the current situation or time. For example, this pizza is delicious. People often say, this is my favorite song. Number 19, my. This is a possessive determiner. We use it to show that something belongs to the speaker. It always comes before a noun. For example, my phone is almost dead. Here's another one: I forgot my wallet at home. Number 20, me. This is a pronoun. It's the object form of I. We use it when the speaker is receiving an action or when the speaker comes after a preposition. For example, can you call me later? People often say, this gift is for me. And there you have it. Those are 20 of the most essential words in English. These words appear in almost every conversation, every book, every movie, and every song in English. The more you practice using them, the more natural your English will become. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every small step counts. Don't worry if it takes time to feel completely comfortable with these words. Just keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. If this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with your friends who are also learning English, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we post new videos every single day to help you on your English learning journey. Leave a comment below and let me know which of these words you found most useful. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and remember, you're doing great.